Hello, Laura.
Hi!
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
And what are you making today?
Well, I'm making an omelette.
Oh, good. And what do you need to make an omelette?
Well, I need eggs, cheese, chive, salt, pepper, and some oil. But first, we need wash your hands.
Because you have to be clean around food.
Yes.
Great. So let's start.
Yeah, let's start, guys. You have to break your eggs and put in the bowl.
Right.
Then you mix the eggs. Then your mom or dad can help you to cut the cheese and the chive. After this, you can put the cheese in the bowl and the chive.
Alright, it looks nice.
You mix again. Then you put the salt and the pepper.
I like pepper.
Yeah, I like too. You mix everything together. Wow. Put some oil and heat the frying pan.
Alright.
My mom's gonna help me.
So, let's see.
You wait 3 minutes. Look this. Remember, now your mom or your dad can help you. You put in the dish. Or you can put more cheese. Yummy! It's delicious. Enjoy it.